S25. I'm going to do the camera glass replacement on this device. Here the first one is broken, as you can see, very common. The third one also is broken, very common. This one in the middle has a hairline. So these two are essentially the same process. This one is a little bit different, but relatively the same process. This is the kit that I got for the camera glass replacement. And here's the camera glass that is going on the S25. So as it looks, it is reversed. This is how it should be on the back of the device. If it is not this way, you're gonna have some issues focusing on any object that you want to take the picture or the video. So it has to be in this order. The first two can be reversed. The third one has to be the third one. I'm going to add a heat resistance tape in order to protect the camera lenses that I will be working second and third. So like this, these two are protected, and I'm going to start with the first one, the ultra wide. This is the blade and the tweezer that came with the kit for the camera glass replacement. Okay, the camera glass is ready. So you're going to take this and insert the blade at the edge. Make sure that the blade goes below the camera glass, and if you can, below the double-sided tip. So again, insert the blade here, then press down in order to go below under the double-sided tip, and then you're going to start removing. So tweezer, grab one end firmly, and then you can start pulling. Again, blade under the camera glass and tip. Then you start lifting the broken camera glass. Take the tweezer and come back here. Grab the glass and pull to remove. Be careful, the glass may break, like you just saw it. Always do this in order to push all the broken glass on the table. You can take with your finger and pull if the tweezer is not working. So here's the ultra wide free of its broken camera glass. So I do have some tape here. You can try to remove this, but while doing this, make sure that you're very careful not to touch the lens of the camera module. If it is very small, you can just leave it like this. But if it is a chunk of double-sided tape, you will need to remove it before the installation of the new camera glass. So now before I continue to the next, I'm gonna protect the camera module by adding some heat resistance tape. So by doing this, I'm making sure that there is no heat going and be in contact with the camera module. So just like this, it is fully protected. Then I can remove the double-sided tape on the next camera glass, broken camera glass that I'm going to work on. So this one, it is only a hairline on the camera lens. So the first thing, I'm gonna heat it for 1 minute, and then I will show you how to remove it. 600. So I'm gonna use the blade and start. So you need to put the blade at the edge here and then you press. When you press, you're going to start moving the blade and put it down in order to lift one piece of the broken camera glass. So now I'm gonna use the tweezer in order to remove the broken camera glass. Let me go back and put it here and make sure that I lift the camera glass out. So then take the tweezer and firmly grab on it and pull. If the camera glass is at the right temperature, you're going to remove it just like this. On the first one, the camera glass was not at the right temperature. I believe I heated the second one a little bit longer than the first one. So as you can see, if it is right, everything is perfect. There is no residue on the camera bezel. So now next, I'm gonna protect the second camera, the main camera sensor, and then move on the third one. So the third one, same thing, hit the camera glass first. Again, I'm going for 600 Fahrenheit. So come here again, put the blade at the edge, at the extremity, press it in, and then you need to move the blade under the double-sided tip, and then you start to pull upward. Then take this tweezer and remove again, blade in under the camera glass. Removed. Here is the third camera glass removed. So if not heated right, this is what I got. The second one was heated to perfection. The third one, not so bad. So all three broken camera glasses have been removed. So now it is time to test the cameras to make sure that everything is working properly before installation of the camera glasses. Main camera sensor properly working. I don't have any issues. You can see the periscope properly working in focus. No issues with focus. Ultra wide, very good, no focus issue. I can zoom. I'm currently using the main camera sensor. No issues. You can see it is perfectly in focus. So I can move to the next step, the installation of the new camera lenses. Before that, I'm gonna blow some air on the camera modules to push away anything, all the dust debris that may have been sitting on it. So here is everything right before installation of the new camera lenses. Everything looks super clean. So at this point, you should test again the cameras to make sure that everything is working, but I'm sure everything is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead with the installation of the camera lenses. The first two are the same, the third one is different. So this is the first one, the ultra wide. At last, the third one, the periscope zooming camera. Clean the camera lenses. So after this, make sure that you test the cameras again to make sure that everything is working. You do not have any focus issues with any of the cameras. Ultra wide, no focus issue. Zoom. Main camera sensor, perfectly in focus. Telephoto zooming camera, also in focus. Everything works perfectly with this Galaxy S25. The camera glass replacement is completed.